Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use auto sync feature on Instagram to sync your audio with your transition on Instagram Reels. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and then I'm going to create a new Instagram Reel. I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to select Reel. Okay. And then here I'm just going to choose some photos from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And once you're done choosing photo or video from your gallery, you can click on next and the auto sync will be activated automatically. These are the suggested audio from Instagram. And then if you want to search for the audio, you just need to go to the search option and you can choose the audio you want to use for your Instagram reel. Okay, you can go to the trending if you want to use the trending song, or you can go to the saved to add the saved audio on your Instagram. And for example, I'm just going to search for a music. Wait guys. Okay, I'm just going to add this music to my Instagram reel and the auto sync feature will be automatically activated. Okay, now it's done and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and if you're still not satisfied with the synchronization, you can go to the edit video. Got it, and then you can manually sync the transition right here according to the audio beat you have edited. Okay, and you can add transition to your Instagram reel. If you want to add transition, you just need to go to the transition right here, and then I'm gonna go with this one for example, and I'm going to apply it all. Okay, this is the final result. Okay, and then you just need to click on this icon and you will be able to post the Instagram reel to your account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use auto sync on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.